and welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make boneless chicken curry. You will need 2 large boneless and skinless chicken breasts. Cut your chicken breast into strips of about equal length. You can further cut them into cubes just like this. Next, heat a large skillet over medium heat. Add some oil and then go in with your chopped onions. Saute your onions for 5 minutes while stirring frequently until they turn slightly golden brown. Once you have gotten to this stage, add in your chicken pieces to the onion and cook for about 4 minutes. Once the underside is golden brown, you can flip over and cook the opposite side for 4 minutes until they begin to brown up, just like this. Next, add in some grated ginger, minced garlic, and cook them together with the chicken pieces for about a minute until they start to fragrance. Now let's season this with some fragrant spices. I'm going in with some black pepper, turmeric powder, salt, coriander, cumin, Garam Masala powder, and red chili pepper. Stir the spice mixture to coat well with the chicken pieces. You can now add in some finely chopped tomatoes and mix to combine nicely with the chicken pieces. Once everything is nicely combined, you can place a lid over and cook the tomatoes for 3 minutes until they start to wilt. Next, go in with half cup of chicken stock. At this point, it's right to add in your coconut milk. This is what gives the chicken curry a nice creamy texture. So make sure to use a quality coconut milk for this recipe so you get the best results. Now reduce heat to low and let the sauce simmer with the lid on for 15 minutes until it starts to thicken up. And to give this sauce a pop of color, add in some chopped mint leaves. Once you're happy with the thickness and the taste of this chicken sauce, you can take it off from heat. And here you go guys, your creamy, delicious boneless chicken curry sauce is ready. You can serve this over white boiled rice or pasta. If you have recreated this recipe, let me know in the comments what you think about it. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Bye for now. Bye.